In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a Google form link. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into it. First off, we'll need to navigate to Google Forms. You can do this by heading to docs.google.com/forms. Once you're on the Google Forms homepage, you'll want to open up one of your forms. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to use an untitled form that I already have. So, go ahead and click on that form to open it up. Now that you have your form open, look for the Send button perched at the top right corner of your screen. Give that a click. This is where the magic happens. When you click on Send, you'll see several options. One of those options includes the link icon that looks like a chain. Click on that link icon and you're presented with a URL. This long URL is your form link. It might seem a bit lengthy or complicated, but don't worry just yet. You'll notice an option to shorten your link right below it. If you click on the checkbox next to Shorten URL, it will simplify the link for you. This makes it visually neater and easier to share. Now, if we want to rename this link, the process is a bit different and quite straightforward. To actually change the name of your link, go back to the top left corner of your form. There you'll see the title that currently reads, Untitled Form. Click on it. Now I'm going to rename it to something a bit more descriptive for this tutorial, let's say Tutorial 1. Once you've typed the new name, Google will automatically save this change for you. Now let's head back to the Send button. Click on it again, just like before, and then copy the link. If you want, you can shorten the link once more to keep it looking tidy. You'll see the link has changed to reflect the new title of your form. That's a quick tip on renaming your Google Form link. However, it's important to note that while you can easily change the link's appearance and link directly to your Google form, you can't customize it beyond what Google allows. If you need a completely customized link, maybe one that features your business name or a specific branding element, you'll want to leverage other tools available online. Services like tinyurl or bit.ly are fantastic for this task. They enable you to create a custom link that directs users to your Google form while allowing you to personalize the link itself. It's an excellent solution if you're looking to share your form and make the URL more memorable or identifiable. So, to wrap up, we opened a Google form, located the Send button to find our link, renamed the form title, and generated a shortened link. If you wanted a more customized link, we discussed some great tools to help with that. I hope this video has helped clear up any confusion about how to rename your Google form link and make sharing it a breeze. If you found this tutorial useful, it'd really mean a lot if you could hit that subscribe button and like the video. Your support helps me create more content that you can benefit from. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.